Hi guys, in front of me is Realme 10 and let me show you how to block a number on this device. At first you need to open your phone dialer, then pick the contact that you would like to block. And then tap on more icon. Here all you have to do is to click on block numbers. Confirm that you wish to block this number, and that's it. From now on Android will not be able to reach you anyhow. You can also enter some general rules. To do it, just click on more icon here and then go to settings. Go to block numbers, where you can block all unknown colors, or you can add some phone number manually right here. And this is it. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.